Hello guys, Yami here, and I'm back today with another Monster High repaint video. And this time I have Jinafire Long, who is the daughter of the Chinese dragon, and she is from the Ghoul's Getaway line. So today I am just going to be unboxing her and adding some detailing to her accessories and just... So this is how her box looks. She's very beautiful in my opinion already. So this is the side, and this is the back of her. I really love the artwork for this box. It's just very beautiful. So yeah, let's unbox her and get started. And we're gonna add some detailing to her body. I'm going to add some purple detailing to the green of her tail and a little bit of yellow highlights. So next we're going to work on her headpiece. So first off we're going to take the flame out because I figured out you can actually take the flame apart. So first we're going to work on the base and then we'll move on to the flames. Some paint to the vest piece. So there are flames here and the tops of the shoes, so I'm going to start off with doing the green flames with some purple highlights. We are going to work on the arm pieces now. We are going to make some green where the flames are with some purple highlights, and as for the cuff, I don't know, but I'm going to figure it out. So this is how she turned out, guys. I think she looks amazing. I am really happy with how she turned out. And like I say every time, just adding paint can really just bring a doll out and all its features. So I parted her hair like it was shown on the box, because the box showed it to basically be parted, and I did that. We have a lot going on here. We have the skin that we did with the brown and the black. We have her halter thing that I painted a purple, green, the cheeky heads with a hint of red, some black and brown detailing to the wood bamboo things. And for her cuffs, I just painted them red with some brown highlights, and for the flames, green with purple highlights. I also painted her fingernails purple just to add a little more detail, as well as her tail and her legs. I did the black and brown highlights. Her shoes. I really like how her shoes turned out. So we have some green and purple flames, some red with some brown and peach highlights, some purple, and purple on her little cheeky heads here. So I boxed Jinafire back up and she is ready to be displayed. So this was my repaint of Jinafire. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more, because I post videos on Thursdays, and let me know what you guys think of her do-up and her before and after photos. Do you guys think they look cool? And yeah, so stay tuned for more doll videos, cosplay videos, and more. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.